So we'll just look at how we restore the default page views that sometimes we can lose when we're working. So it could be that we're accidentally hitting the close button on some of these boxes. So this one here, for instance, the project browser, you might shut that down. You might even shut down the properties box as well, and then you end up with nothing. The way to get those back is quite straightforward. You go into View, which is right in the middle at the top here. To the right hand side, go to User Interface, and we're going to want our project browser back. Don't want to save it. And we're going to be wanting our properties box back as well. So now we've got these two boxes back here, and you can see that everything's back to where it was. Sometimes also we might go to click on architecture, and you might click it twice, and then things change. It's not where it was before. Two ways you can get out of this. You can just keep double clicking, and it'll just keep toggling around. Also, we've got this button here as well, so we can click that, and it would just keep toggling around as well. So if you end up losing the stuff across the top, this little button across the top is probably the best way to do it because it's just single clicks. And that's how you get back some of the views that you might have lost.